Hello guys, myself Amrita. Welcome back to our channel TechnoSage. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about MySQL and or and not operators. So let's get started. And or and not operators are basically used with the where clause in MySQL. If you don't know what is where clause and how it is used, you can check out my another video. I have discussed where clause in detail. I'll mention the link in the description box. So just to give an idea, where clause is basically used to filter out the records based on a specific condition. But in some cases, if you want to filter out the records based on more than one condition, that means you want to use multiple conditions, then you have to use the operators. As you can see here, so AND operator is basically when both terms are there. That means both the conditions are satisfied. If you have more than two conditions, then all the conditions should be satisfied for the AND operators. And in case of OR operators, either of the condition should be satisfied. That means condition 1 or condition 2 or condition 3 should be satisfied. And in case of NOT, the data will be filtered if the condition is not true. So let's understand the operators one by one and then we'll try to execute the queries. Let's say we have a table called employees which has some fields like ID, name, city, country. And first we'll understand what is AND operator. AND operator is basically when all the conditions are true. So how it is written? Select column 1, column 2 from table name, and in this case table name is employees, and then using where clause you will write your condition. Suppose we have more than one condition. Let's say in this case we have two conditions, then condition 1 and condition 2, and if you have condition 3 also, then again you will have to use AND operator and condition 3 up to so on. It is same like where clause. We just have to use the AND operator to combine the condition, and in case of AND operators, both the conditions should be true. So let's go back to our SQL workbench and try the query. So you can see here, this is our table having employee name, employee ID, address and city. First we will try AND operators. That means we should have to give at least two conditions and we have to combine them using AND operator. For example, if I want to take out the data of this particular employee whose city is London and ID is 5021, then we should get the data of this employee called Alfred. So let's write the query. So what would be the query? Select, then we have to provide the column names which we want to display. Let's say we want to display all the columns, then star from table name, that is company dot employees, that means employees table from the company database, and then where clause, and what was the condition? City is equals to London, then and employee ID is equals to 5021. So when we execute this query, we should get the data of the employee who belongs to city London and his employee ID should be 5021. Both the conditions should be satisfied. So let's run the query and see the output. So you can see here, right? Employee ID is 5021 and London is city. Both the conditions are satisfied for this employee. So when we had executed this query, we got the data for this employee. So now let's understand the next operator, that is OR operator. The syntax would be same for the OR operator as well. We just have to give OR instead of AND. When select column 1, column 2 from table name where condition 1 or condition 2 or condition 3. In this case, syntax is same, but even if one of the condition is satisfied out of 3, we should get the data. So let's try this query. So you can see the table here. Let's say we want to display the data of the employees whose city is London or Mexico. So that means if I say where city is equals to London or city is equals to Mexico, we should get the data of these 4 employees who belongs to city London or Mexico. So let's write the query. So the query would be select star from company dot employees where city is equals to London or city is equal to Mexico. So in this case, even if one of the condition is satisfied, that means even city is London or city is Mexico, we should get the data of the employee. So let's run the query and see the output. So you can see here, right, we got the data of 4 employees who belongs to either city London or Mexico. So let's see the third operator now, that is not operator. Not operator is basically different. It is negation. That means if that condition is not satisfied, then that data should be displayed. The syntax is almost same. Select column 1, column 2 from table name where not condition 1, not condition 2, not condition 3 up to so on. So we just have to use the not operator and we should get the data when that condition is not satisfied. So let's run the query. So let's say in this case we want to display the data of all the employees whose city is not London. That means only these two data should not be displayed. All other employees data should be displayed. So let's write the query and we'll run to see the output. Select star from company.employees, that means employees table from the company database where not city is equal to London. That means we should get the data of all the employees who doesn't belong to the city London. So let's run the query and see the output. So you can see here, right, we got the data of all the employees who doesn't belong to city London. I hope you understood how we can use these three operators. Now let's try few other queries also. So here we are using only one condition for where city is not London. Suppose if we want to get the data of all employees who doesn't belong to city London and who also doesn't belong to city Mexico, then we can combine the conditions. Now if we want to satisfy both the conditions, what do we need to use? AND operator. But now here we also want to get the data of the employees who doesn't belong. That means we have to use the not operator also. And not city is equals to Mexico. So this means we should get the data of all the employees who doesn't belong to city London and who also doesn't belong to city Mexico. So let's run the query and see the output. So you can see here, right, now we are not getting the data of the employees whose city is Mexico also. So like this you can use these operators. You can also combine multiple conditions. Here I am using only two conditions. You can write one more and one more condition, 3 conditions, 4 conditions, depending upon what you want to filter out the records. And also one more thing, here we are using star. That means we are getting the data of all the employees with all the column names. If you want to get only 2 columns, then here you can use column 1 and column 2. That means whatever columns you want to display. For example, in this case, if I want to display only employee name and employee ID, then you can run this query and you will get the data with only 2 columns. So here you can see, right, we are getting only employee name and employee ID. Address and city are not displayed because we have not selected those columns. I hope you understood the solution. Please let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or any doubts, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. In the next videos we'll try few other queries. Thank you for watching, guys.